Hey, what's up? Welcome to my kitchen. It's your favorite cook, Kirby. It's the holiday season, and today we're making hot chocolate. So no further ado, let's get into the recipe so I can show you how to make it. Alright, so this wonderful recipe is going to start off with 4 cups of milk, and we're going to go ahead and turn on our burner at medium-low heat. And go ahead and add 2 cups of half and half. Now you're going to let both of these heat up, and then we're going to incorporate our other ingredients. Add 1 stick of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of some nutmeg, a half a cup of sugar. Now you want to add 1/4 of a cup of unsweetened baking cocoa. From here, you just want to whisk your chocolate into your milk. You want to make sure that you incorporate everything. As it gets a little warmer, it is a little bit easier to incorporate. Make sure you scrape the sides and just keep whisking. Like I said, this is on medium-low heat, so you want to let this simmer for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now that everything's already heating up, just make sure that you stir occasionally. And for a little extra kicker there, go ahead and add a cup of marshmallows. Go ahead and give that a mix and stir it all in there and let that marshmallow melt. Trust me, this adds some really good flavor to it and makes it creamy. Once you don't see any more marshmallows, now it's time to serve. Now here's the best part. Get you your favorite coffee mug or Christmas mug or whatever you want to put it in there. Just go ahead and get it and fill you up a nice cup of that hot cocoa. This is really great during the winter time, and trust me, the family love it. Now you can't do hot chocolate unless you got some whipped cream. So go ahead and pile you up a nice heaping mountain of whipped cream in there. Now sprinkle you some grated chocolate right there on top of all that whipped cream. This is very delicious, and I can't wait to get into this. Look at that, folks. Yummy. I have my favorite mug. Perfect time for some hot cocoa. Yeah. Well, I hope you try this recipe. It's really delicious. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button so we can see future recipes just like this and many more. If you have any questions or comments or anything you want to say about this recipe, go leave it down in the comments section. And while you're at it, hit the like button for me. Happy holidays and take care.